To create an interactive Quickwrite, you're going to need to go to drive.google.com in your URL bar at the top. Create a new Google Sheet. Just a blank document will be fine. Give it a title up at the top. Next, you want to create a way for your students to get access to it. The easiest way to do that is to go into the upper right to the green Share button, click on that, and then click Get a Link. And you're going to want to change it so that anyone with the link can access this as an editor. That's the easiest way. But of course, you can also share directly with people in your class if you know all of their email addresses, or use a tool like Google Classroom to create the spreadsheet in the first place. Then quickly go up to the View menu and freeze the top row. This is where you're going to type in your questions. Also, it's helpful to go to the View menu and freeze one column where you can put student names in. Now you can either have your students go ahead and come into the spreadsheet themselves and type their own names, or you can pre-populate it with a list of names. Now you're ready to go. Type in a question up at the top here. You'll notice that your question might go over the edge. It might be too wide here. You can either change the width of the cell, or another feature is to click on the cell so you select everything here, and you can ask Google to wrap your text around so that it doesn't go off the edge of the cell and intrude in others. Now sometimes it turns out actually you do want it to go off the edge, and so you have things more compact and easier to see, but using this little text wrapping icon will allow you to switch back and forth based upon your needs. Then just wait for the responses to come back.